Today, we're going to talk about locating articles from the library homepage. When you need articles from newspapers, magazines, or academic journals, you can go to the library homepage and use the drop-down menu to search articles. This will allow you to search all the library databases. A library database is a collection of journal articles and often other resources. A database is often a better search tool than Google, especially when doing research for school. Another way to search databases is by using our Research Databases button. Here, you'll be able to choose a specific database for your research. The first page you come to is the A to Z database list. If you know what database you'd like to search, this page can be very helpful. For example, if your professor has told you to search psych articles, you can find it listed alphabetically. Here it is. If you don't know what database you'd like to use, but you have a general idea of what you're interested in researching, the Databases by Subject tab is a great choice. Here, the databases are grouped together by the subject that they cover. For example, if you're doing a research paper for your criminal justice class, you may want to use the databases listed under Criminal Justice Law. If you're interested in how to construct an article search, please check out our next video, Constructing a Search Using research.